choosing kindness together. It's Unity Day, and schools across the Beaufort County School District are celebrating by spreading messages of kindness. Here at Red Cedar Elementary School, students are putting kindness into action, one word at a time. Their Kindness Challenge banner features words like caring, compassion, and friendship. Students are signing it as a promise to be kind every day.
Kindness doesn't mean only being kind to your friends. You can be kind to anyone, no matter who they are. You shouldn't be mean to people or bully anyone to feel stronger. Kindness is what matters.
We can show kindness and help out our friends when we need it. If someone's having a bad day, you can just help them out and say nice things to them and make them try and feel better.
It's important to include people because they can feel left out and you can always have another friend.
If someone can be left out and you could help them, you could get them to have friends, you could even be their friend.
At Okatie Elementary School, students created Halloween-themed posters to promote kindness and remind everyone to treat others with respect.
I made this poster so I could show respect to others so they could do the same thing to me. My poster is all about being friendship, don't be a bully, and don't be rude to others. You could just make friends.
I made 2 pumpkins and they're different shapes. One's a circle and one's a square. And sometimes in real life, maybe you could get bullied if you're different from each other. But these 2 pumpkins are friends even though they're different from each other.
Students can also grab a kindness card to recognize a classmate's good deed. Each day, the principal reads a few of the notes during the announcements, spreading positive messages school-wide.
The kindness cards are for when you see somebody being kind and you write the person and you write your name on it.
I think it's important because you can make a lot of friends by spreading kindness.
Unity Day started in 2011 as part of National Bullying Prevention Month. Students are asked to wear the color orange to show support for kids who have been bullied. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.